So we have some leaked images, well, some marketing images, of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5. And the big thing here is, of course, that hinge. That beautiful hinge. Right here, you can see if you look at, oh my gosh, look at that crease. I'm sorry, but I just realized this. I'm looking at these as first time with you guys, and I just looked at it, and the first thing I saw was the heat grease. Even in the marketing photos, just don't show it off in the marketing photos, okay? So it's like, if you're like your team Samsung, just like don't show off that one one itty bitty quality. I mean, obviously it's gonna be there, and people are gonna see it when they get the phone, but like, that looks so bad. That looks so freaking bad. And this might be why a lot of, Samsung employees talked about last video were complaining, saying that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is really not even a Galaxy Z Fold 4S. It's not even that, like, enhanced. But I digress, because that looks absolutely freaking awful. But anyway, though, taking a look at this, you can see how it's closed completely, no longer a gap. So what we saw from previous Z Fold 5 rumored pictures, I'm trying to see if this is, yeah, right here. You see that gap? Yeah, that gap is no longer a thing. It's completely closed. Which I hope that does not cause issues in the future with the phone down the line, let's say 2 or 3 years, where possibly we could see screen bubbles, we could see some, burn marks or burning in the displays. I'm hoping that's not going to be a problem. I'm hoping Samsung's not trying to force technology here, or trying to force innovation to try to sell some phones. I'm really hoping that's not the case. I don't think it's going to be, but I'm just saying right now, hope it's not the case. Because we already have our Galaxy Z Fold 2s? Galaxy Z Fold 3s that had batteries that were expanding and breaking the phones 2 years later. So, hopefully this is not the same issue with same problems right here. Now, of course, for the Z Fold or Z Flip 5, this is what the images leaked as, and to be honest, yeah. It looks beautiful. It really does. I'm almost to a point now where I'm going to pick up both, obviously. I'm going to only pick up both because I do like how the Z Flip 5 looks. Like, the Z Fold 5, I'm going to pick up no matter what, right? Now it's going to be a automatic pickup. You already know that. But, like, the Z Flip 5, I was kind of like, I'm probably not going to pick up. Because you guys do not know on this channel, I don't like the Z Flip series. I think it's tacky. I think it's something that is a really cool gimmick, right, when it first comes out. And maybe for the first 2 or 3 weeks, you're going to love it. And after that, it just becomes cumbersome and pointless, right? You don't really get anything extra by using it. Yeah, you have a phone that closes and go in your pocket and it doesn't take up much space. But when you open it up, it's the same equivalent of a regular smartphone. It's nothing different. It's actually too big of a smartphone in my opinion. So, at least with the Z Fold series, you open it up and it's like a book or a tablet. This is just a candy bar cell phone that folds in half. So, I don't really love it. But with the south side display being so big, maybe that's going to be a gimmick too, but it actually interests me a tad bit. So I am going to be picking it up for that said reason. Maybe I'm just falling into the trap of the Z Fold or Z Flip series, but it does interest me a tad bit with how it looks. But with that being said, guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.